And we're off. The deranged animal chews on its prey. I'm doing stuff. Kia! She looks at me with that caw. With her deranged face. Sniffs her prey. And she's on it again. Its fate's been chosen. There's no saving him now. Doo-doo-doo. What do you think about that, Joe? What? Kia being a deranged animal stalking her prey and sealing its fate while devouring it.
Here's a moron.
That's not nice.
We're
Recording you.
recording me.
Why? What happened to you being skinny? Which would drive your belly out?
No, this is crooked.
I think some of it's hanging out at the side right here.
It's not stomach, it's hip.
That's your hip?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was part of your bum. Get it, Kia. Get it. Let's see if she tries to kill me if I take it off of her.
Murder. She was all about murder.
Kia! Kia!
She said, yeah, right.
Oh my god!
She's like a little Chucky.
Kia! Kia! Answer me, you... Oh.
Kia. Very good. Oh, God.
Ow! Kia! Oh my god! I'm telling Mom! Oh my god!
That was mom's idea. She's gonna give us what's the 18 She was
Oh my
murdered.
god! Oh my god, my dog!
She was murdered.
I want my shoe! I want my shoe! Kia! Come here, Kiki! Come here, Kiki! Come here! Come here, Kia! Come here, Kia! Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Okay. Kia! Kia!
Just a fuck off.
You want me to give it? Want me to throw it? Give it? Why would you come closer to me if you're gonna growl at me for trying to grab it?
Now she figures you know better by now, so.
Why would she come closer? Why didn't you just say what a freak she was?